Good morning, everyone. This is Woody and Dawn, the tool specialist for Tool Organization Services. And we just finished up here at the Gross Ford Motor Dealership in Neillsville, Wisconsin. We got some construction working going on here. But this is a Ford job. This is all inventory and organized onto these panels numerically. This is a Toolsguard job, so each tool has a tag with the QR code. They can check in and out the tool with their phone app. And also they can use the phone app for checking in and out the kits. They also have a decal on them with a QR code. And they have the printer set up here so they can enter the tool, a new tool with their app, and then make take a picture and print out a decal or a tag, whichever is necessary. As you can see, we use these shelves here to organize the fixtures and the kits. We use the totes for multiple tool pieces. And they have the tags, decals on there with all the tools that are in there. It's a small room, but it's working out well. We have the shelf over here that has all the universal stuff. We inventoried and organized all of them also. They also have decals on them. Alright, this is it. You all have a great day.